Good morning, children. Thought for the day. If you have to choose between being right or being kind, then choose being kind. You'll always be right. So, always keep in your mind that what is more important is being kind. With this thought, let's move further in the chapter the muscular system and the digestive system in human beings. Let's recall what happens to the food we eat inside our body. The food that is taken inside the body is completely digested in the alimentary canal. The nutrients obtained through the digestion are absorbed in the blood. Next question, does this food mix as it is with the blood? No. The food is absorbed only after it is converted into completely soluble nutrients that can be taken into the blood. Here you can see the picture of teeth. Now you know that the digestion of food means converting the food into a soluble form and then absorbing it into the blood, and this process is called digestion. And the digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and digestive glands. And the parts of the alimentary canal are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. And the digestive glands are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. The length of the alimentary canal, you will not be able to even think about it, but it is 9 meters. And each organ of the digestive system systematically performs the function of digestion. So now let us understand the digestive system step by step. So the digestive system starts from mouth, and mouth inside has teeth. Okay, here you can see the picture of jaw, the teeth, okay, the types of teeth also. So the teeth, it helps in chewing the food and making it into particulate form. The food then mixes with saliva and then it is easier to swallow. Okay, so the role of teeth is to chew the food and mix it with the saliva. So there the process of digestion starts from the mouth. Now you can see here 4 types of teeth are shown: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Each type has specific function. Calcium salts make the enamel of each tooth. The food in mouth is mixed with saliva and is easier for gulping. Saliva has an enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase, and this enzyme converts the starch into a sugar called maltose. Okay, now what are these enzymes? Enzymes are catalyst chemicals. Okay, they are produced in the body to bring about specific chemical reactions. Okay, they speed up the chemical reactions in the body. And the digestive enzymes, they bring about metabolic processes that is related with digestion, and they are active at normal body temperature. Okay. Use your brain power. During digestion, does all the food that we have eaten get converted into useful nutritive substances? Think about it. All the food that we eat does not get digested into nutritive substances. Some part remains undigested and eventually it is thrown out of the body through anus. Okay. Now the first part is mouth. Digestion of the food begins in the mouth, as we have discussed earlier. Food is chewed with the help of teeth into very small pieces. The next is pharynx.